right now.
Hey guys, this is the last fan for tonight, but this is a pretty deserving last fan. This is a Homestead Metro in chrome and brass. Metal Pete and I have been working on this one for a while. It's needed a lot of things. The electronics in it were messed with, and so I was gonna just bypass them and make it a single speed because it had like a circuit board in it, but I decided to reverse engineer the circuit board and had to bypass the Molex connectors and bypass a tracer on the circuit board that was not working. The mounting bracket, I don't think it came with the mounting bracket, but it used the recalled mounting bracket, so when we tried to hang it, it fell right through the bracket. Cosmetically, it was in really rough shape, and Metal Pete has been working on it, and we're going to do some more touch-ups on it before it actually goes in the museum. Obviously, it's going in the museum. Anything else that I forgot that we did? That it was a pretty mangled. I think it was shipped with the blade arms on it because they didn't know how to take the blade arms off, and I think that's why the blade arms are pretty badly bent. Yeah, I think it was just thrown in the box with the blade arms and everything still attached to it, which I hate when they do that. And I always say take the blade arms off, and nobody does. So let's check it out before it goes in the museum.
Okay, here is
Low with the decade box.
Oh no, decade box.
I mean, you know what I meant. Yeah, low.
Factory
Yeah.
speed low and 0.22. And I don't think we used this last time. So 9 watts. And a power...
Well, we've done other homesteads with this, haven't we? Universals, maybe?
We did do a universal here not too long ago, but I don't remember what they got. So yeah, this is a 0.33 power factor. Okay, I'm going to go right to medium. This is a decent low right here. Okay, I'm going to go right to medium. 0.4. 30 watts. 0.6, so just a little over half a power factor.
Okay.
Okay. And here's high. I did the airflow test last time. It's a decent breeze, actually. This is a really decent fan. 0.62.
Yeah, they used a pretty strong motor in the
the
higher end homesteads.
Yeah, some 74 watts. And practically a power factor of 1.
Okay.
On high. Alright. Time for spin down. Okay, I know the reverse switch isn't coming out of the hole there, so but I was still able to get it. Probably not gonna use reverse anyways, but we'll do it here for the video. Okay, oh, it stopped already?
Yep.
Okay. There's low reverse, same current draw. Okay. Okay. Same on medium, so. And I'm sure it's going to be this.
Yeah, it uses one where the coils don't switch, they just flip polarity, so it should be identical.
Yep.
That was kind of weird. The heater kicked on at the same time the motion sensing light kicked off. So.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right, here we go. Decade box. 1. Oh, did that start on 1? It looked like it just nudged. 2. That's going to start on 2 then. Point 1 for starting on 2, so this should be an easy one with the learning remote, just as it is.
Yeah.
3.
Should be the same as the wind in the back, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see why it would be any different.
No, it'll be the same as the wind. 4. 5, and of course, here's your learning remote low right here, which is 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Here's 12. Here's your learning remote medium.
Yeah, good range.
Yeah. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Okay, so I'm close to high with 20.
Yeah.
So, I don't think I really need to...
You don't need to go any further.
No.
I don't feel like it's really necessary. It's not like there's very many controls that go any further.
No, there isn't. Alright. Done decade box. Now I'm going to do solid state variable. Okay.
Quite loud there.
Yeah.
Very noisy. Might be more noisy than the Evergo.
It's neck and neck with the Evergo. Maybe not. This is the low medium, and it's already quite buzzy. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And here is high. Okay.
So we just got 0 to high.
Yes. All right, here we go. 0.63. It should drop to 0.6.
Yep.
Okay. Well, that's all we have for this Homestead Metro.
Do me a favor, before we stop the video, just turn the fluorescent lights on. I wanted to see what it looks like in the video.
Sure.
With those on.
Okay.
Really doesn't look bad that way either. The blades look darker.
Okay.
Let it stop, or you can stop it either way. I just want to see what it looks like with those on.
Oh, okay. Well, let's stop it right here.
Yeah, it's not bad with those either.
No.
Okay, thanks for watching.